People always make traveling on water look so peaceful. You see the calm waves, the beautiful sunsets, people smiling on ferries so naturally, like though there is no problem. So I said to myself and I said, you know what? One day I'm going to experience this too. Here comes the opportunity. For the first time in my life, I was going to be traveling on water in real life. Here we are seated on the boards and ready to take the move. I think it's going to start the front than the back. It's going to start the front than the back. Because the back is going to be what if?
Because the wave will be so much, the breeze and everything.
In the middle of the water, it's doing So it's better we just let him beat us. I'm not nervous. I'm just anxious. This is the best experience of my life. All these days I've just been kidding myself. Right now, I am taking risk in reality. That exact word, risk, is what I'm taking. The sky was cloudy. The water wasn't calm. And my parents probably think I'm at my house. They don't know that has gone on a long time adventure. So, the drums were beating so fast in my chest, and my teeth were saying otherwise. Wow, so there's a thing like galloping on water too. Wow, this is crazy.
Shut up. It happens like this most times when I'm moving.
This is not the time. And after a while, something interesting happened. I wasn't just traveling anymore. I was enjoying. I was feeling the nature, the atmosphere, the breeze, the act of seeing waters all over you, and everything is just blue and white, and it feels like, okay, if we fall, we fall, and if we rise, we rise, and if we get to our destination, we get to our destination. Not gonna lie, it was lots of fun. Not gonna lie, it was such a nice experience, crazy experience. I learned a lot of shit, I felt a lot of shit, I just feel good that I did this today and nothing happened. You know, I always thought I had phobia for water, and I tend to enjoy this so much than somebody who just broke a fear. This feels so good, to be very honest, and if you've not experienced this before, this is a sign to go experience it. Anyway, Sha, before you plan your next experience, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week. See you next week Sunday.